Hello and good morning. And today we will go through a brief plan which I've updated from the year 2020. It's about comment poster where you can send HTTP posts from Android application towards customized web application. So in this tutorial, you will be able to send out HTTP post through form inside Android application to a PHP made HTML form. And then this form will be able to save the data sent from Android application inside database. Okay, it doesn't matter if the database is MySQL or SQLite, but it is able to send out this database, this data through HTML form, and then it will save it through the database. So let's go through the source code. Okay, this is the original Android application. So this original Android application is no longer being able to be run on modern Android Studio because it uses an updated Gradle. Okay, this one can be run or executed under the modern Android Studio. So you can click here, download. Okay, and then let's load them. Okay, once it is downloaded, okay, you can extract them. Right, this one I'm going to show you how I'm going to extract them. So you can extract them in under your own Android Studio folders. Okay, here you can open it. Okay, okay, under command. Okay, command poster over here. Okay, let's it sync. So you can see here the application is loading. So we have to wait. This is the source code. Okay, you can see here, this is the application. You can send in the name. And then please submit and then wait for the application to load. Okay, then you will be viewed with the error, shown with the error. Time out, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can see here the error. So this is because you haven't installed yet the web application companion. So in order to do this, you need to re-download the another companion, the server side. Okay, the server side application. So only have to click here download application server side. So what you need to do here is to extract these comments into your web server folder. So it doesn't matter if you use them or PHP or Laragon or any type of web server control panel as long as it is capable of running PHP and MySQL. Also, it doesn't also matter if you are using Laravel because it also using the same environment, okay, as PHP. So what you need to do is just to copy it to your own web server folder. So for mine is here, htdocs. Okay, just copy it over here. Okay. And then also don't forget to load the SQL, okay, Command SQL database. So in order to do that, I have to log into my database. So here I have to start my own web server. So I'm using them. You can use anything that you want to use as long as it is it complements your setup. Okay, this is how I do it. This is the most basic way to set up the database. Okay, because I put a S support it to load. Okay, so I have to create a new database. So just create a new database over here. Okay, and then just upload. Okay, just upload the database from the import panel. To import, okay, I need to know where you download it. Okay, from the folder. Okay, this is for version 8. Okay, I use version 7.4. Okay, then just press go. Okay, I use version PHP version 7.4. Right here is the content of the database. You can look at this simple web application. It is supposed to be over here. Okay, it only have a very simple API. Okay, it has a JSON interface. Okay, to display back the command. And then here you can view the command inside the database. And here is the API. So let's take a look at the API. Okay, I will edit it using Notepad class. Okay, the API is very simple. It only accepts posts from name, email, and comment. So those who know how to do the web application knows about HTTP post, right? HTTP post. So this one application is only simple. It only accept name, email, and comment from HTTP post. So I have to create a filter over here. So you can reuse this code as a filter. Okay. So this post B is a type of filter which it would filter all the name information and anyone. If you add new, let's say new field, okay, like location, okay, you can also add a filter over here. Okay, filter, sanitize string, okay, string. So it doesn't matter. So it depends, okay, what you need to do. And then you can only also add the filter over here so that it could filter everything. Okay, filter everything. Okay, this is just a precaution. Then you can use the query to insert it. Okay, this is just a simple SQL query to insert it from PHP into your MySQL. Okay, just use a simple SQL query. You just insert the ID, name, email, IP address, user agent, and command. So you can get IP address from here. Okay, user agent. Okay, user agent also you can get from PHP API over here, server, and then the comments you retrieve it from HTTP post. Okay, HTTP post from what you say is value. Okay, is from HTTP post is from form. Okay, like form. So let's recheck. So there is no error over here after I modified it. So no problem. Okay. So let's resubmit it back. Okay. Okay, here we have view. Okay, so this is the latest one. Is from 2021. So let's recheck it back. I press submit. Okay, comment posted. Okay, means that it doesn't have error. So when you refresh it, you get something but Roger wrote. Okay, this is email Roger wrote. So and then you can put in your name. Okay, like this one. And press submit. Okay, this also said comment posted. Right. Okay, here. So another thing that I need to remind you is that is the URL. Okay, this one would replace your local host. Okay, 10.0.2 is your local host. But if you upload it on an external server, okay, server that have domain, then you have to replace this with your own domain. So this is something that I have to tell you, and then you have to put HTTPS over here. Right? Okay, because this is only a testing server, you only have to put it HTTP. Okay, this is how you put in the parameter. So if you have more than 3 parameter, then you have to add another line. Okay, and then another thing is that you have to add this one. Okay, if you add more parameter, then of course you have to add more variable over here and then more variable over here. So hopefully this would explain it to you on how to create a HTTP API. Okay, from this source code. Okay, can refer to another video. So this one is not latest. The one that I've uploaded in 2021 is not latest. This one is most latest, suitable for a later version of Android Studio. So that's all for you. Thank you.